Hi, I'm Roy Cox, Global Product Line Manager for American Sanders, and I'm here today to talk to you about how to properly clean and disinfect your hardwood floors. We're going to work with a couple of products here today. One is called Nova. Nova is an effective germicidal disinfectant that is produced by our parent company, Pioneer Eclipse. American Sanders is now part of Pioneer Eclipse. Pioneer Eclipse has been in the jan sand and cleaning business for over 40 years, so they're really experts in cleaners and disinfectants. Nova itself is a concentrate, and so you'll buy a gallon, and that can make you 32 gallons. As I say, the first step you would do is to dilute it to your at-use dilution. You can do that in a mop bucket. You can do it in a spray bottle. That's my preferred method for doing smaller spaces. So then you take that use formula, that then you spray the floor and then wipe it out. If you're using a rag, just wipe it out. Make sure you're getting 100% coverage of the floor. I like to use the spray bottle with a microfiber mop. Just spread it out and then wait. The key to the disinfectant is that the floor remain wet for 10 minutes. So keep an eye on your floor. If you see areas starting to dry out, just give them another squirt, spread it out. Just keep it damp. And you're not wet. We are talking hardwood floors, but just keep it wet for those 10 minutes. If you're doing it in a residential space, go ahead and turn that AC off before to help reduce any airflow, which is going to help extend your wet time. Watch around areas like the refrigerator where hot air may be blowing, and to help make sure that those areas stay wet for the full time. Once you've worked in a space that you can kind of keep an eye on, once you've reached that 10 minutes, move on into the next space and keep going until you've covered the entire floor. After that 10 minutes, it's okay to just let that air dry. Then the next step is with Timber Clean. Timber Clean is our standard American Sanders wood floor cleaner. We say to follow the Nova up with Timber Clean, just to make sure you're not leaving any streaky splotches on the floor. This gives you a nice clean look, finished look. You basically apply it the same way, spray the floor, wipe it out with your microfiber mop. In this case, you don't have to keep it wet. Wipe it out and go. As soon as it's dry, your job's complete. Let me tell you a couple of things about Nova disinfectant. Why 10 minutes wet on the floor? Well, the active ingredients in Nova are tested by an EPA test that requires 10 minutes for those ingredients to do their job. So that's how we know that it's killing those viruses on the floor. Nova is effective against the SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus, and it's also an effective germistat, mildewcide, and fungicide. Safely cleaning and disinfecting your hardwood floors is a simple process. Contact your American Sanders sales rep today to order Nova germicidal disinfectant.